I'm a girly girl with a girly secret. If I tell it to you, promise that you'll keep it. I'll tell you now. My little secret is
LGBTQIA. I'm gay, it's not a phase. I was born this way, meaning I can't change.
Plus one Junior Sora.